Hi everyone, my name is Ngô Hèn Quân. So today I'm going to present my project management assignments with the topic of achieving the project objective on time, costs, and performance. The importance of planning, monitoring, controlling, and motivations. So what is the project management? An effective project management is crucial for the achieving the project objective within the agreed upon times, costs, and performance parameters. So this essay will explore the key components of planning, monitoring, controlling, and motivation in the context of the project management. So each play roles, a critical roles in ensuring the successful of a project, and a comprehensive understanding of this element is essential for the project manager and teams. The first one will be the planning phases. So the planning phase is the cornerstone of the project management. So laying the foundation of the success. The planning helps to establish the clear and measurable goal and objective for the project, which provide a roadmap for the project teams to follow and help to ensure that the project stay on track. So in this phase, the project manager must address the several crucial elements, including the scope statement, schedule, budget, risk management plan, and key performance indicator, which we call it as the KPI. The project scope statement will act as the primary tool for the stakeholder and teammate to reference and use as a guideline to accurately measure the project success. The scope statement also can be defined as the project boundary, classifying what is within and outside the project preview. So a clear and concise scope statement helps prevent the scope crime where the project expands beyond its original boundary, which can result in a delay, increasing costs, and decreased quality. Follow this, the schedule outlines the project timelines, allocating the resource and tasks over the specific periods. Allocating a resource is an vital part of the planning process in the project management. So in order to ensure that the project can be completed in terms of time, so it is necessary to have a clear understanding of what resources are required and when they are needed. Come to the budget. The budget details the financial resource required for the projects, providing a realistic estimate of the costs. Planning enables the project managers to track or estimate the cost of the project, which help them to ensure that the project stays within its budget constraints and that there are no unexpected costs. In addition to the schedule and the budget, a robust risk management plan is essential for identifying the potential risks and challenges that could impact the project. So by systematically identifying and analyzing the risk, so project managers can develop um, mitigation strategies ensuring the proactive managers of uncertainties. Moreover, the identification of the KPIs is critical for tracking the project progress and ensures that the staff are carrying out their responsibility. The objective should be set in a qualityable and achievable manner so that the employee can readily measure their progress and be rewarded accordingly. So KPI need to review and modified frequently in order to stay current and realistic. In addition, KPI also serve as a compass for the project team, helping them steer the project toward success. Monitoring. Project monitoring referred to as the project monitoring and control. Monitoring a project means ensuring that the project is going as planned and that task. In other words, the monitoring phase is the integral to keeping the project on course. A robust project for monitoring the progress provide a real-time insight into the project schedules, budget, and overall performance. Tracking the project schedule and budget facilitates the delivery of the successful project within the defined constraint, meeting the both time and financial objective. The integration of the schedules and budget tracking enhance the overall project controls and enabling a holistic view of the performance. So similarly, Monitoring key tasks provide visibility into the current status of the project, helping to identify potential bottlenecks or delays. So by monitoring the key tasks, project managers can identify issues and challenges early in the process. This allows for the timely intervention and resolutions, reduce the impact of the potential problem on the overall project timelines. Besides, evaluating the performance of the project team is crucial as it provides the project manager with the insight into the individual and collective achievement, allowing them to assess whether the team is meeting the predefined goal and milestone. Project manager can spot the strengths and weaknesses, make the efficient use of available resources, and quickly address any skill gap or training requirements by keeping a close eye on the team performance. Additionally, tracking the performance supports the effective communications within the teams, fostering a collaborative environment where the members are aware of their contributions and responsibility. Moreover, identifying the key stakeholders and keeping them informed is important to maintain the open communications channel with them, ensure the transparency and the alignment with the project goal. It also to contribute to client and the stakeholder satisfactions by offering a transparent audit accomplishment and challenge. Controlling the phases involve identifying the key control point in the project where a review of the progress is necessary and adjustment may be required. Developing a robust process for making an adjustment to the project plan is essential for the effective control. Identifying the need for a change is the first step in the controlling phase. This step involves continuous monitoring and evaluations of the project performance against the established baseline. It could be triggered by the various factors such as the unforeseen challenge, shift in project priorities, or change in the external conditions. Besides, assessing the impact of the change help the project managers understand how it may affect the project overall objective, schedules, and budgets. So these assessments form the basis for developing a change plans. With a clear understanding of the need for the change and its impact, the next step is to develop a comprehensive change plan. The change plan outlines the specific steps required to implement the change successfully. It includes the details such as the revised tests, resource reallocations, budget adjustments, and any other modifications. So potential risks related to the change should also be taken into account, and strategy for reduce this risk should be included in the change plan. Implementing the change plan involves executing the planned adjustments and ensuring that they align with the project overall goals. This may require coordinations among the team members, adjustment to project schedule, and reallocations of the resources. The success of the change plan depends on how well it is implemented, meaning that even with the new change, the project must move forward without any problems. Communicating change to the stakeholder is a critical component of the controlling phase. The project managers need to communicate the details of the proposed change, including the reason behind it. Additionally, communications plans facilitate the designations of the important updates, ensuring that the stakeholders are aware of the key milestones and the overall impact of the project on the organizations. Effective communications also foster the trust among the stakeholders, showcasing the project team ability to adapt to challenge and uncertainties. Motivation is the driving force that energizes the project teams, propelling them toward the successful achievement of the project objective. It has a direct impact on output, dedication, performance, and problem-solving skill, all of which add to the project overall efficacy and successful results. There are various types of the motivation, such as intrinsic reward, recognition, career advancement, or a sense of purpose. Setting a clear and achievable goal provides the teams with a sense of direction and purpose. A clear goal provides a basis for measuring the progress without clear objective. It becomes difficult to assess whether the project is on track or if adjustments are necessary. So a clear goal also allows for the evaluations of the team's and individual performance, offering a praise and constructive criticisms can help the employee feel valued and respected. Recognition and positive feedback boost the morals and engagement within the teams. So, recognition can take a various forms, including a verbal praise, words, or other tangible expression of applications. So recognizing and celebrating achievement, both big and small, create a positive feedback loop, motivating the team member to continue delivering their best. A positive work environment supports the enthusiasm, collaborations, and motivations, all of which are vital to the success of a company. A positive workplace promotes the collaborations, creativity, and a sense of camaraderie among the team members. There are several techniques such as encouraging autonomy, assigning a manageable workload, and celebrating both professional and personal milestones. Encouraging autonomy can be done by giving the employee freedom to use their time as they deem fit to completing their tasks. The employees tend to feel happier and more motivated since there are no overly oppressive work environments. So assigning a manageable workload to the team member can help ensure they can complete all their works without feeling stressed. Positive work environment can be created by celebrating both professional and personal milestones. For example, the project manager can treat the employee to have a meal as a reward for their effort. Empowering team members to make decisions contribute to a sense of ownership and accountability. Empowering employees to create an innovative solution often gives them a greater sense of accomplishment than if they were to follow a standard process. Empowerment also involves trusting team members to take on responsibility and make decisions within their area of expertise. In conclusion, achieving a project objective within the agreed upon times, costs, and performance parameters requires a holistic approach that integrates planning, monitoring, controlling, and motivations. So by understanding the interplay of these key elements and implementing them comprehensively, project managers and teams can navigate the complexities of the project management successfully. That's all for my presentations. Thank you.